Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. Not really getting that great of audio from this, actually. Just kind of getting the gravelly sound and no actual sound to it. I'm not really understanding what's going on here. Is the power on? Hello? Can you hear me? So the mic is on. So here we go. Rode mic now. No buzzing sound this time. No buzzing sound at all. Getting me in it. Getting me in it. Yep, that sounds good. All right. That'll work. All right, that'll do, pig. All right. All right, testing on the clip-on mic. Mostly getting ambient sound. Getting a little bit from this, and it's mostly just breaking up weird. Okay, hello? Hello? Peaking. AF peak on everything, on the there. Let's go in here, and much better. Alright, that sounds great. Much better. How about I just lower it on here? Is that gonna change it? Nope, this is going through the menu. Alright, that's cool. Alright, great. So, this will be interesting. I guess I'll just listen to it while we're doing it and maybe move it over to the, what's it called? The Marantz later. Okay, perfect. Alright, that'll do, pig. Alright. That'll work.